Okay, guys, do you want to make money online as a beginner? Okay, I'm going to show you what I've done the last 8 months on social media, on Instagram, and on TikTok. All right, so you need to be very consistent. Aim at least 3 videos per day on TikTok and 1 video per day on Instagram. Okay. Number 2, trends. No longer on actually the popular sound trends, right? Is no longer in on TikTok, okay, but more on Instagram. Okay, so for Instagram, it's very interesting. You can actually find, if you guys have the metaverse, right, the AI for metaverse, you can type in trending audio, okay, and then from there you can find all the trending audios, okay. That's why metaverse AI is so amazing. Okay, number 3, you need to be very authentic. All right, be genuine. Having relatable content often performs better than overly polished videos. I find that for Instagram, they have really changed. Okay, no longer need to be very polished, right? And TikTok, we all know you need to be very genuine, very relatable. Like one of the TikTokers, I can't remember his name, but he is always talking about his relationship with his doctor's boyfriend, right? And he's from Canada, okay? And he talks with his without him facing the camera, he's always like looking down. The phone is always looking down, right? Or maybe looking not at his face, and he's always talking sideways. I guess you know who am I referring to, okay? He is very funny and very relatable. He has a lot of ladies followers asking him how to find boyfriends that pays everything. All right, so if you know who it is, please tag me on this video, okay? I can't remember his name, but he's very funny. Okay, number 4, engagement. You need to respond to comments, collaborate with other creators, like you stitch with them or you duet, all right, and encourage your viewers, right, to interact with your content. Either share or save your videos or share it with their friends, all right? Then next, right, hook is also very important. You need to have that hook title. And as I mentioned earlier, if you all do not know, do you remember that actually indicated ask you guys to go to your own creator insights, creator search insights, right? And then TikTok will give you the insights, right, on what's the video that your followers are looking for, or maybe content gap. Okay, so they can be the hook to use. All right, so capture attention within the first few seconds to keep viewers watching until the end. And you need to use storytelling techniques, right, to make your content more engaging and memorable. Right now, I felt that the algorithm on TikTok is all about like entertainment, all about fun, right? So you could skill to that, right, and make it more fun. And same for Instagram as well, okay? So if you're doing Instagram and TikTok, right, remember, you cannot use the same videos that you use on TikTok to be on Instagram. It needs to be a different videos, okay? So here are some ideas, right, that you can do to make money online as a beginner, okay? Before and after transformations. Like you guys know that I used to sell my own retinol, right? Right now my retinol has discontinued. So you need to show the impact of your retinol products, the before and after of your client's face, and transformation stories from clients or followers if you are coaching them or you are selling something. All right. And second one will be product demonstration. Show how to use your skincare products properly or your own products properly, and compare your products with other brands. Okay, but never mention the brand name. Just mention brand X or brand Y. Okay, next could be you can feature like videos like quick tips and hacks. Okay, tips to take care of the skin, or how to make a handy tool, something like that. Okay, customer testimonials is very, very important. Lately, you guys know that I just launched my own book, right? Unbreakable Spirit, turning dreams into reality. So if you want that book, right, guys, you can find it on Amazon, okay? I'll give you the link. I'll put the link on my comments, all right? So grab it. It's only $9.99 US. And I actually put that in that book, right, on how to sell and how to do TikTok. If you're interested, please get that book, okay? Yeah, so remember to feature user-generated content, meaning that whatever your customers give you the testimonials, you can put that in your content as well, okay? And personal stories are very, very important. You can talk about your stories, how do you start TikTok, or maybe how you start this business, and people buy your why, they don't buy your what, okay? All right, remember that. And you can tell them like, you can even show them the behind the scenes of the brand, okay? Oh, forgot to mention, always go on live right now. TikTok, right? loves to see their TikTok creators going on live, right? So go minimum at least 2 hours, minimum 2 hours if you want to sell something. And if you do not want to show your face, right, you can just show the products. There are many online creators, if you realize, right, they don't show face. They only show their neck, or maybe they show just the products. All right, they don't even show face. And if you sell lipstick or anything, just color it on your hand. Okay, so you remember to do some live demos, and you must answer your followers questions. Okay, because I sell skincare, right, so that's why I put some skincare examples down there. All right, so this is how you make money online as a beginner. So if you are interested to know more, to grow yourself as a brand, and for me, right, you can go coaching with me on TikTok first. Then when you are better, you earn more money, you can learn on Instagram, how to create social media on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay, because Facebook right now, right, they also have monetization for Singaporeans, right? But you need at least 5,000 followers and 60,000 minutes to monetize. Okay. All right. So please follow me on my Facebook, on my Instagram as well. Retinol Beauty Expert, okay, for my Instagram. And my Facebook, right, y'all can just go to my link there, okay, on my link in my bio, right, it's Julia Chantel. You can find me on Facebook. Please follow me, all right. And yeah, so if you want a one-on-one coaching, I also do that. If you want a group coaching, I also do that. Minimum 10 packs to start. I teach you all how to do social media and how to grow yourself as a brand so that you can sell your things online, services, and products as well. All right, so thank you all so much for watching. I hope that these tips are very useful to you, and see you soon in my next video. Bye.